In DocBits, you can create email templates that are used to send automated email notifications. To create a new template, go to Settings, Global Settings, Email Templates, then click New. Give your template a name and select the document type it should apply to. You can also choose whether the document should be attached to the email or not. On the right side of the screen, set the email subject and design the email body in the text editor. In both the subject and the body, you can insert dynamic variables, fields taken directly from the document, by clicking the plus icon. To include images, click Upload. To design your email using HTML, click the Source button to enter source mode. When you're done, click Send Test to send a test email to an address of your choice, or click Save to save your template. Check out our other examples and use cases to see how this feature can help you. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.